Guys, look at what foreigners are doing in Mayfair, Johannesburg. And we are expected to fold our hands and watch foreigners do this in our country. Can you, as a South African, go to Somalia, Ethiopia, Bangladesh and do this, and the government will be on your side? They are doing this because they know that Ramaphosa will come and defend them. Abo Malema, Abo Thabo Mbeki will come and defend them. Look at what they are doing. These people, they took over this area. Mayfair belongs to them. Houses, buildings, shops, everything. They dominated everything. And we have people we call leaders in this country. As a South African, there are places you are not allowed to enter in this country because they belong to foreign nationals. We have Lagos in this country. We have Abuja. We have Harare. We have Addis Ababa. And you will ask yourself, can you as a South African go to Nigeria and create iTheku laphayana and create iDurban, create iJoburg yakho in Lagos? Can you as a South African go to Bangladesh and hijack their cities, their buildings and everything, even their houses? When as a South African, do you think you can go to Nigeria and sell powder to their youth, to their children there? Can you as a South African go to Ethiopia, Somalia, open tuck shops there, then Ethiopians and Somalians will come and support you? South Africans, sometimes I don't blame these people, I blame you. You are supporting them, you are defending them. Why? How can you do that to your own people? These people are unaliving your neighbor's children, your fellow citizens' children, because your own child is still alive. It's okay for your neighbor. No, guys, be fair. This is not okay. And they know as they are doing this, they know because they are illegally, no one will be able to trace them. So guys, really, I don't understand why singaboni as South Africans, labantu abasifuni. Angazi ukuthi ngithi bazo-revenge noma bazele kuzotake over i-country noma ngithi banjani. Kodwa sonke siyabona ukuthi bakwi-mission. So guys, please, ake nizameni ukuthi sihlangane singama-South African njengabo labantu abalahlane. Wena as a South African, if mina ngine-shop, ubona lo muntu lona ukuthi une-shop, you leave me, your fellow South African, you leave me, your neighbor, and go to support someone you don't even know. And angeke uze wena as a South African ubone i-Ethiopian, i-Somalian, i-Bangladesh liza kuwena if uthengisa something lizokusupporta. Abadli even ukudla kwala, kodwa thina senza sure ukuthi sidla zonke izinto zabo. Abazidli bona izinto abayithengisayo, they don't eat their own food. But wena, you eat everything, you don't even know where this thing is coming from. And uyabona ukuthi umnikazi wazo lezi zinto yena akazidli, but wena, just like our government, ugovernment wethu wenza izinto for ukuthi abantu bampraise all over the world at the expense of us South Africans. Mina guys, lento engiyibona la, I'm not happy to see this, and I wish ukuthi besingahlangana nalabo abasadakwe uthando labantu, lalabantu babe sober, babuye engqondweni. Angeke alikho izwe elingavuma lento eyenzeke eSouth Africa, alikho nelilodwa. I'm speaking about African countries. Not even one African country can allow what is happening in South Africa to happen in their own countries. No leader in Africa would allow what is happening in South Africa to happen in their own countries. But here in South Africa, we allow everything. Our leaders, they allow everything. I don't know if i-country esiqalekisiwe ngokuba nalama leaders anjena. Guys, singakhohlwa nokuthandaza, please, because sibhekene nemimoya. It's not just impi nje le, but sibhekene nanemimoya iyavunguza. Abomalema, mina I don't understand abantu abanjengomalema. Labantu laba akubona abantu okufanele ukuthi ngabe sihleli nabo kulelizwe abekho right to stay with us in this country. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.